Hello everyone, welcome back to Mac and PC Prime video. In this video, I'll show you how to install Paragon NTFS for Mac on Apple Silicon Macs like M1, M2, or M3. If your NTFS hard drive is read-only on macOS, this video will help you fix that in just a few minutes. Let's get started. By default, macOS can only read NTFS drives, not write to them. Paragon NTFS for Mac allows full read and write access to NTFS hard disks, pen drives, and SSDs with native macOS performance. And yes, it works perfectly on Apple M1 and newer Macs. Open your browser and go to paragon-software.com. Navigate to NTFS for Mac, click on Download Free Trial or Buy Now. Once the download is complete, open the DMG file. Now double-click the installer and click Install. Enter your Mac password when prompted. In the Allow the Load of New Third-Party Kernel Extensions window, proceed as instructed. Open System Preferences. Navigate to the Privacy and Security settings. Click the Enable System Extensions button. A notification will appear explaining that enabling system extensions requires modifying security settings in the recovery environment. Click the Shutdown button after the Mac shuts down. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds, then release it. A progress bar will appear on the screen when the macOS recovery window opens. Select Options, then Continue. Go to the Utilities menu and open the Startup Security utility. Click the Security Policy button in the pop-up window. Select Reduced Security, then check the box for Allow user management of kernel extensions from identified developers. Click OK and enter your administrator password to confirm the changes. Wait for the security policy to update. Click the Apple logo in the top left corner and choose Restart from the menu. After restarting a system extension, blocked notification will appear. Return to System Preferences, Privacy and Security. And click Allow to authorize system software from Paragon Software. Restart your Mac again. Once the Mac reboots, open System Preferences, go to Privacy and Security, and select Full Disk Access. Locate and check the Comparison Software checkbox to enable full disk access for NTFS for Mac. Congratulations! The NTFS for Mac installation is now complete. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you, like the video, share it, and subscribe for more Mac and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.